1970 Chevrolet Camaro, first year of the second generation, one of my personal favorites. This is a really neat car, guys. Take a close look at this one if you're looking for a nice early second gen Camaro. SS badging, it's got the full bumper on the front, white with black stripes, black vinyl top, American Racing wheels. Don't see these in white very often. Check out this interior. It's had some updates made to it. TMI front seats, TMI console with cup holders, horseshoe shifter. Super clean black interior. And just wait till you hear this engine start. Sounds awesome. You got the tack mounted on the column. Motor has a mild cam. You can hear it. It sounds really good. We do have additional gauges mounted down here. Oil pressure, temp, and volts. Doesn't really get in the way of your foot too much. It's a pretty common area on these second gen Camaros to mount gauges. You do have a nice Boss stereo with a touchscreen. Horseshoe shifter. You'll notice this says P, R, N, D, and L, but it is not a power glide. This is a 3-speed automatic, so you do have all 3 gears, but it's just labeled that way. Cup holders. Dash shows awesome in this car. Heating controls. There's your wipers. You're a little slow today. They do work, but they're just a little slow. Horn button, no horn. And your blower motor, we're gonna go to the vent setting. Blower motor works nice, some good air moving out of here. Door closes good. Open the hood. Alright, hood's open. Check this out. Beautiful looking motor. Edelbrock Aluminum heads, polished headers, polished intake manifold. Engine sounds awesome. Power steering, power front disc brakes. One thing you'll notice is this car did come factory equipped with air conditioning. However, the AC compressor is no longer here, so the AC is inoperative. A guy might be able to get the AC going again. You just have to find the compressor and the lines and hook it back up and see what happens. But it does have factory air. It's not operative. The car has a QA1 front suspension system, tubular upper and lower arms with coilovers, QA1 sway bar. This is a very tight driving car, folks. A lot of fun to drive. It does have a HEI ignition on the distributor, very good distributor. Paint and body overall is in excellent condition. These are 17-inch wheels, date code 2019 on the tires. I love these TMI seats and console in this car, and the Boss stereo is a nice upgrade. Back seats are in really nice shape too. Nice speakers here in the rear package tray. Door closes good. I love the sound of this exhaust. This sounds awesome. Note there is one imperfection here on the corner of the door. Right there. Had a little touch-up work done to it. Not very noticeable, it's way down low. And on the hood here, there's one little crack there on the side of the hood. If you're interested in this beautiful 1970 Chevrolet Camaro, small block 350, high performance, mild cam, automatic, TMI interior, please scroll down. We'll have a link in the description, take you right to our website. There you can find the asking price. You can find undercarriage photos. You can take a good look at that QA1 front suspension system. Very nice kit for these cars. You can also see we have chrome traction bars installed on the rear. This car wants to go. It's a lot of fun to drive. If you're interested and have any more questions or you'd like to make an offer, please don't hesitate. Give us a call. That's carsrememberwin.com. Thanks for watching.